So over here, you can see that I have a store right here. And if you want to actually go ahead and add in shipping details so that your customers can select those shipping details, you can go to manage product right here, and then you can go around onto shipping. So if you were to go to shipping, you can see that right now you just have the standard shipping option right here. But you can add a shipping option right here, and you can choose the region as you want right here. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and say Japan, and say the first item fee is going to be 30, let's say, for example, and each additional is going to be 10. So you can see that this is the flat rate per item right here. And you can also grant free shipping to orders at least right here to, let's say, for example, $1,000 maybe right here, just like this. And you can add in the shipping option name as well and the guideline as you want. And the shipping option will be added just like this. So this is what you have, as you can see. So now this is the shipping option. You can go ahead and then add another shipping option as well, like if there's any store pickup. Let's say, for example, you can go for, let's say, Greece store pickup. You can add in a particular reason as well. And then you can go ahead and add in the pickup option name right here. So whenever they order out, then what happens is that they will be able to go ahead and then, let's say, for example, choose that option for shipping. Click update, and then that will be reflected onto their page when they check out. So that is basically how you can go ahead and add in store shipping details inside of your Strikingly store. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.